Hey, what's up everybody? It's PJ Arms and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to have a tutorial to one of the most legit advertising and earning website, the MyFishcoins.com. Okay, before we start, let me greet the one and only Mr. Fish Vlogs. So siya lang naman po yung may-ari nitong website na MyFishcoins.com. Okay, so kung hindi pa kayo nakaka-subscribe dito sa channel ko, please subscribe and click the notification bell for you to become updated to my next video. Before we proceed to the tutorial, let me introduce you to this website, the MyFishcoins.com. Okay, so this website is an advertising and earning website where you can advertise your business, YouTube channel, and whatever you wanted to advertise. And in other good way, you can earn real money for up to 1,000 Philippine peso or $20 US dollars in only one day. So, if you want to earn money in just clicking or watching ads, this is the right website you are searching for. How can we earn money in this kind of website? Let us check this out. Okay, first ay kailangan natin mag-register sa myfishcoins.com. Yung registration link po ay makikita nyo dun sa description box. Okay, let us fill out the needed information. First ay yung username. So, kayo na po yung bahalang gumawa ng sarili nyo pong username. Then, let us proceed to the email address. So, pwede po kayong gumawa po ng bagong Gmail account kung wala pa po kayong email. Or kung meron naman po kayong available na email account, pwedeng yun na lang po ang inyong gamitin. So pagkatapos nito, let us create a strong password. Okay. And then let's confirm our password. Make sure that there's nothing different to the previous password you made. Ayan, so nagkaroon ako ng problema. Nagkaroon yata ako ng misspell dun sa aking confirmation password. So, ulitin natin. Okay, dapat yung password natin ay yung hindi agad natin makakalimutan ng basta-basta. Okay, dumako naman tayo dito sa birth year. Ilagay natin yung ating birth year. Okay, so which is 1996. So, dito may makikita kayong referrer, which is me, PJ Arm. And after that, let us proceed to the verification. So, ang sabi dito, click or touch the lock. So, hanapin natin yung lock and then click it. And let us check all of this. And lastly, let us click the registration button. Or you may also sign up with Facebook if you have a Facebook account. If you're done to register, you are about to enter this one. So, makikita nyo dito yung may referral link, deposit, withdraw, main balance, purchase, commission, traffic, and fish coin. Okay, let's talk about your referral link. So, if you want to invite to earn more, you must copy this and paste it on your social media accounts. And then, you will see here the deposit button and withdraw button. So kung mayroon na kayong naipon at gusto nyo nang mag-withdraw, always remember that you must deposit first for at least above the minimum withdrawal amount. So ito naman yung main balance. So lagi nyo tatandaan na ang main balance lamang ang pwedeng ma-withdraw. And then, this is the purchase balance. So, pwede nyo itong gamitin pang-advertise and also pang-purchase ng referrals na pwedeng tumulong sa inyo para mas mapabilis kayong kumita. Next is the commission balance. So, ito yung dito mapupunta yung commission na makukuha nyo sa inyong referrals in case na mag-click sila ng ads. And also, the commission balance is transferable to the main balance para pwede nyo siyang ma-withdraw. So, let us proceed to the traffic. So, itong traffic ay hindi withdrawable. Kaya tandaan nyo yan ha, hindi siya withdrawable. Ginagamit ang traffic to advertise only. Ito naman yung fish coins. So, ito naman ay transferable sa main balance and also to the purchase balance. So, magkakaroon lang kayo nito kapag meron na kayong na-invite. So, paano nga ba magkakaroon ng laman ang inyong main balance? At para ito ay ma-withdraw. Click nyo lang yung tatlong guhit sa taas. Ayan. Then, lalabas yung summary, earn, advertise, referral, money, and people. I-click nyo lang yung earn. Okay? And then, lalabas yung PTC. I-click nyo lang yung PTC. And then, mapupunta kayo dito. So, makikita nyo yung mga ito. So, ito yung tinatawag natin na ads. So, pag click nyo yan, yan. We will just wait until this timer becomes 100%. Okay, so kailangan siya maging 100% para maging money. Ayan. Pero kadalasan, ito ay inaabot lamang ng 30 to 60 seconds. So kapag natapos na siyang maging 100%, mapupunta tayo dito sa figure solving. So ang nakalagay dito ay click or touch the house. Hanapin lang natin yung house, then click it and then send. Ayan, you've been credited $0.01,000 for this ad. Pagkatapos nun, i-click lang ulit natin yung next na advertisement. Okay, medyo bumagal yung aking internet. Okay, mag-intay lang tayo. So, ayun. Intayin ulit natin siya for 30 seconds. And then, click or touch the printer. So, hanapin natin yung printer, and then send. Okay, so ganun lang. Paulit-ulit lang yung sistema ng pag-click at pag-watch ng ad. So, tingnan natin yung ating summary, yung ating main balance, kung nadagdagan ba siya. Ayan, so nadagdagan siya. Tingnan natin yung daily logs. Nandito yung logs kung magkano yung ating nadagdag sa main balance. So, nadagdagan tayo ng $0.02. So, para madagdagan ulit siya, yung ating main balance, i-click ulit natin yung earns, yung PTC. Paulit-ulit lang yung gagawin lang natin. Click lang ulit natin yung ating PTC at ubusin yung advertisement na naroroon. Ito namang traffic exchange, ito pag click nyo siya, mapupunta yung kikitain nyo dyan doon sa ating traffic balance na pwede nyo siyang ipang-advertise. Ito namang purchase balance, so pwede natin siyang ipang-rent ng referral para mas mabilis tayong kumita. So ito yung i-click lang yung referral and then rented. I-click yung rented. Ayan, so makikita nyo dyan yung aking mga na-rent na referral. Ayan. Ganun lang yung sistema ng pag-earn dito sa myfishcoins.com. Medyo marami pa akong hindi na ituturo sa inyo about this website. So kung gusto nyo pa ng another tutorial about MyFishcoins, i-like nyo lang tong video na to and share this to your social media accounts. At dito na po nagtatapos ang ating basic tutorials about MyFishcoins. Thank you for watching!